This is the sound of my soul. This is the sound of my soul. This is the sound of my soul. Oh, I want the truth to be said.
Timothy Lee Grimwade, born 4th of June 1984 at Chase Farm Hospital, Enfield. To my life 1 week later, following a Sunday phone call, the precious adopted son we'd longed for so long. Timothy for Paul's son in the Bible. From his birth mother, who specially requested he grow up in a Christian family. Stomach churned for a week, thinking he'd be taken back to us.
I got it from here, ma. Is a problem, the problem child. Any small thing I make problems loud. Bad behavior, temper major, all those problems now. Saying all that, I'm praying for that. My temper up, I'm not so proud. Can change for the better like Paul from Saul. I ain't tryna say like I ain't sworn ever, or when I ain't in error. But I'm God hears me. Christ is sport for my sentence. No full stops and no grammar. He's the reason I ain't sleeping in slammers. Well, he delivered me like UPS to a different P. O-C-O-D-E. Now you see me up on stages with your heart as his hype guy. Now you see me up on stages with your heart as his hype guy. Now you see me up on stages with your heart as his hype guy. But it ain't hype. Learned so much when performing more in quiet times. Been discipled, now's the right time to let loose share my side. In this rhyme I'm scratching the surface. It walks hard but actually worth it.
At age 6, Tim was clearly an individual. In France, instead of joining in a family activity, he sent us off saying, I can look after myself. From that point on, I knew he would follow a unique path.
Sound of my soul out for them listeners. Now they count it down in the description. Sound of my soul out for them listeners. Now they count it down in the description. Sound of my soul out for them listeners. Now they count it down in the description of me and my life, me and my highs. My road like a skyline. All in all, I'm fine. I was bitter, kinda like dry wine. That used to be you moving me. You be led astray by my signs. Don't follow them. I don't tell you about past so you can honor them. In fact, it's the opposite. I'm a wreck so you can't copy it. I'm ashamed of who I was, rebellious straight up 'cause I knew God. My parent raised me up. 4 verse 9 in Deuteronomy. So things not in line with his rule. No matter what, they always bothered me. Got business class to my way, straight economy. Humble yourself, let God do it for you. Or you can feel 8 like 4 twos. It's your call, it's your move. But this ain't chess, what will you do?